I need some light in here. Sorry about the focus, everyone. It's a really dreary day, so the light's kind of affecting my light, but getting on the way on the excuse me, underway on the wall rough for a restaurant called Chop Tea. And just want to walk you through where we're at the moment. This here is going to be a mop sink here. And that's the vent going up from one of the drains down below. And the trap primers. Okay, around here. Should be an ice machine back here. That there is for a water filtration system. No, I'm sorry, a ice storage bin here. A copper pipe there, and ice machine should sit back here on this wall, as well as I have one of these walls. I have a I think it might be that one. Should be the water filtration system. Okay, well, just want to let you know or walk you through where we're at so far and give you an update of what's going on. Gosh, see that white pipe up there? God, it's got to be at least gotta be 20 feet. So that's going to be a lot of fun getting that in. Even though lifts get you up high, the machine called the scissor lift, gosh, you can be so high that it'll still rock at the top. Big shouts out to you that work with scissor lifts daily and be up there rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling. I know that you do. Shouts out to you. We appreciate your work. Okay, so that's where we're at right now, and I'll give you more of an update when I can. Other than that, thanks for watching. One more thing I want to talk about is there's a gas line going in, and somewhere, I don't know, there's the there's a gas meter, so we'll be coming to this point, but it's gonna have to go up and in, so that's gonna be fun too. Okay, other than that, that's where we're at, and stay tuned for more. AAC out. Just want to get one more look at this this entryway here. Last time we were here looking nothing like this, so they've definitely made some changes from the last video I shot, but it's going to be a real good place.